In the last class, we have discussed about the introduction of basics of network security. So in today's class, we will see the model for network security. So what is the purpose of using this network security? How the messages will be sent from sender to the receiver. So first, the sender will be there and the receiver will be there. So once the sender sends the message, how the receiver will receive the message. So in between, what is the process taking place, that we will see now. So once the sender sends a message, that message will be gone for security related transformation. What is security related transformation? This is nothing but the encryption. So what is encryption? Encryption is nothing but it converts the plain text into ciphertext, that is unreadable format. So once the information has been converted into ciphertext, once the data has been encrypted, the encrypted data will send it to the receiver's security channel, that is through information channel. Information channel is where the message will be communicated. This is one of the path. And once it is received to the receiver's path, so here the message will be decrypted. The message, whatever we have encrypted at sender side, that message will be decrypted. Okay, so the decrypted message, that means the conversion of ciphertext to the plain text. So that plain text original message will be received by the receiver. But in between, we have the opponent here. Okay, so what do you mean by the opponent here? Opponent is nothing but here he is a person who can try to intercept your messages. Okay, and next we are also using here trusted third party. What is who is trusted third party? This is the persons who will be sharing the secret information from sender to the receiver. So as we have seen that how the messages will be sent from sender to the receiver, in between we have seen two processes, encryption and decryption. So now we will be elaborating with one cipher what is encryption and what is decryption. Okay, so first we will discuss, we have so many cipher techniques. So among all that, we will discuss one of the cipher technique, encryption and decryption, we will be seeing today. So first one is your Caesar cipher. So what do you mean by the Caesar cipher? In the Caesar cipher, this is one of the substitution technique. We call this as a substitution technique. And in the substitution, how it will be substituted? It will move, the fixing letters will be moved down towards the alphabet. For example, you have A. This A is replaced with D. That means how many letters it is moving to the D? That means 3 letters. Okay. So first let me take the alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now give the numbering for this. Starts from 0 and ends with 25. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay. Now, using the Caesar cipher, we have to see what is encryption and what is decryption. For example, if I take the word hello, okay, this is called your plain text. Plain text indicates P. Plain text indicates P. C indicates ciphertext. K indicates key. Okay. Now we will be taking the encryption. What is the formula for encryption in ciphertext is E is equal to, E stands for encryption. E is equal to P plus K mod 26. This is the formula for encryption. And for decryption, D is equal to C minus K mod 26. Okay. Now we will take one example. Plain text is hello. Okay. Plain text is hello. Now tell me what is the numbering for this H. H indicates the number you will be getting here is 7. E number will be 4. L number is 11. 11. And O is 14. Okay. So now I will be defining the key is equal to 4. Now go for encryption process. This formula we will be applying. E of H. The first letter is H. For H we will be applying E of H is equal to, what is the formula? C. C indicates the cipher. Sorry, P indicates, we are going for encryption, so we need to take P. P indicates H plus K. mod 26. Okay, so h plus k. What is h value you will be getting here? 7. And what is k value? 4. 7 plus 4 mod 26. 7 plus 4 mod 26 is 11 mod 26. You will be getting the value 11. Okay, so E of h is equal to 11. Next thing we need to derive for E. Okay, E is, how can we derive? Encryption of E is equal to, what is, we apply the same formula. P plus K mod 26. P indicates E. E plus K mod 26. E, what is the E value here? 4. 4 plus, what is the K value? 4. So 4 plus 4 mod 26. So 8. 8 mod 26 is nothing but we will be getting 8. What is 8 value? I. So E of encryption of E is equal to I. And here 11 indicates, what is the value of 11 here? 11. Then similarly we go for this is the second one. Then next one we go for E of H is over L. E is over, we go with L. E of L is equal to P plus K. P, what is the plain text here? L. L plus K. Okay, L plus K mod 26. L indicates which number? 11. 11 plus 4 mod 26. Then here you will be getting 15 mod 26 is 15. What is the value for 15 ma? P. So E of L is 15. Okay. The next one is also L. I am not calculating for one more time. Next directly we go for O. E of O. E of O, what is a P here? O plus K mod 26. What is O value here? 14. 14 and K value is 4. 14 plus 4. You will be getting here 18 mod 26. So 18 mod 26 is here I am writing E of O is equal to 18 value. What is 18 value here? 8. 18 is yes. E of O is yes. So now the data has been encrypted. So for hello, H, what is the value we got now? L. For E, what is the value we got? I. For L, we got the value P. P. And for O, we got yes. Okay. So this is called your ciphertext. This is called your ciphertext. So this is nothing but we have done the encryption. Now similarly, we have to decrypt it. Okay. So how can we do the decryption? For decryption, we need to follow the formula C minus K. Okay. So we will be proving whether it is we will be getting hello back or not. D is equal to C minus K. C minus K mod 26. So C, what is the first one? L. So D of L is L minus K mod 26. So L minus K, what is L value here? 11. 11 minus 4 mod 26. 11 minus 4 is how much? 7. So what is the value of 7 mod 26 is 7. What is 7 value? H. Okay. So D of L is equal to H we got. Next one is D of I. So next word is you have letter is I. D of I is equal to C minus K, the formula. C is I. I minus K mod 26. Okay. I minus K mod 26. I minus K, I value will be here 8. 8 minus 4 is 4 mod 26. So 4 mod 26, the value will be here. What is the value of 4? E. So D of I we got is D. Then similarly next one you have to find P. D of P. D of P is equal to P minus K mod 26. Okay. So what is P value here? 15. 15 minus 4 mod 26. So 15 minus 4 is 11 mod 26. You will be getting 11. So what is the value of 11? L. So D of P you are getting the value is L. Then now we have the last word S. D of S. D of S is equal to what is S minus K mod 26. Okay. S minus K mod 26. What is S value here? 18 minus 4 mod 26. Then 18 minus 4 is 14 mod 26. So 14. What is the value of 14 you are getting here? O. Okay, so D of S is equal to O. Now if you observe, L we got H. Okay, I we got E. P we got L. S we got O. So after decryption also, we are getting the same values hello. Okay, so this is what called as encryption and decryption.